In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop in Bluebeam. Cropping is a quick way to remove unwanted margins, borders, or notes from a PDF so the content you care about fills the page. It's especially helpful for construction drawings, submittals, or any document where clean presentation matters. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Make sure you're on the page you want to crop if you're only adjusting one page, or have the full document open if you plan to apply changes across multiple pages. It's a good idea to zoom in a bit so you can clearly see the area you plan to keep. Next, go to the document menu at the top and choose Crop Pages. This opens the Crop Pages dialog, which is where all the cropping controls live. You have two ways to define what gets cropped. You can click Select Area, or you can enter specific measurements. If you choose Select Area, your cursor will change so you can draw a rectangle directly on the page. Click and drag to surround the exact area you want to keep. Everything outside that rectangle will be cropped away. Take your time to line up the rectangle with edges, title blocks, or drawing borders. If you make a mistake, simply cancel and try again until it looks right. If you prefer precision, enter measurements instead. You'll see fields for the margins, top, bottom, left, and right. Type the exact values you want to remove from each side. This method is great when you need consistent results across multiple pages, like shaving off a fixed border or matching print requirements. Before you apply the crop, choose which pages to affect. In the same dialog, select whether you want to crop only the current page, all pages in the document, or a specific range. Pick current if you only need one page adjusted. Choose all pages for a uniform crop across the entire PDF. Use a range if only a section of your document needs the change, like pages 3 through 10. Once your area is set and your page selection is chosen, click OK. Bluebeam will apply the crop immediately. Take a moment to review the result. If it's not quite right, you can return to document, open crop pages again, and refine the area or measurements until it looks perfect. That's all there is to it. Open the PDF, go to Crop Pages, select your area or enter measurements, choose the pages, and click OK. With these steps, your PDFs will look cleaner and more professional in no time.